Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, everybody. It's Monday. We had a great weekend recharging, hanging out with our friends, making the most of our time here in Mexico. And this morning we're off to get this oil leak fixed, taken care of, so we can get back on the road. So there must have been like a daylight savings time or something that our phones didn't pick up on. It's only 8 o'clock and the shop, our appointment's at 9, so we're an hour early now. And we were both saying this morning we felt really sleepy and tired. Shoot! Big shoot. Let me make you a tea and breakfast. How about it?
Oh, please. That'll be lovely. Thank you.
We're making dairy-free cashew yogurt. It's got like a coconut flavor.
Damn.
With some pumpkin, seed, and flax granola.
Damn.
And a little bit of banana.
Oh, no, you didn't.
Okay, we'll just continue to sit here and wait till it's actually 9 o'clock.
How did that happen?
We will not know anything until at least noon. And they said only a half day on Friday, but now she's saying they'll need the man till 5. It's not the end of the world, but yeah, I mean, at least they'll have time and they won't be rushed and to look at it. Anyway, so we're gonna enjoy the day in Queretaro again.
Yeah.
We got the homies coming to pick us up in 5 minutes.
Don't lie to me, Maria Fel.
No, she's gonna say what
Tell to me. He told me what you like. He thought it's a piece. He thinks it's a piece, and if it is that, it will be done by 5.
Unbelievable.
It will be done
Maria
by
Fel, my girl.
Just call him at 3:30.
Thank you,
well,
bro.
if you're still here, I can call you.
Muchas
Here's
gracias.
your change.
Oh, you're
El cambio.
Bye.
Are you in shock?
I don't want to, yeah. Oh my gosh, guys.
Right, we could go tonight. If at 3:30 or no?
Yeah.
Is that pushing it?
We'll see. We'll see.
It's kind of what we did last time. Yeah, I don't want to drive at night.
I don't want to.
We might as well like get like restock.
Especially with the new
Restock our
engine. Like,
food.
Whoa, my excitement is like, no, let's calm down.
But honestly, it makes sense though. It makes sense, guys, because
Do what those guys did last night. Just like no expression.
500 pesos. Is that the Mario Fix My Engine dance?
My Mario fixed my engine. I really hope this doesn't
Buddy.
make it into the vlog and then like we're like 4 hours later.
Yeah.
And we're like,
So guys, we've been doing some serious brainstorming has gone down. We've been wanting to do this for a while, and we were talking about it. So we're working on 2 things. Number 1 is we're gonna put out a documentary, hopefully on Netflix, all about what?
you just have to manifest these things. If you put it out to the universe and say it, like it sounds kind of crazy.
Yeah,
like,
it's
we're
gonna
make a
happen.
doco on Netflix.
Somebody works at Netflix.
If you know
Yahoo,
someone at
yeah.
Netflix,
Let
reach
us
out.
know.
But
let us know
we
your
watched
thoughts on
the
what you-
Expedition Happiness one, which we were inspired by quite a bit, like before we got into van life. Those guys are awesome, and thought like, hey, we should totally do that. So we're gonna be
Obviously in
collabing
collaboration with
50-50 with these homies, and we've got some really cool concept. It's gonna be all about like transparency of like living in a van and like.
All right, let them wait for it.
Okay, yeah, we're not gonna go into that.
Let me tell them the other thing.
Okay, babe, go ahead.
Okay, so act interested in what I'm saying in this
I'm
one.
staring right at the lens here.
Okay, so the next thing that we've all been thinking about as couples and people is podcasting. As
And we're
van
super into
lifers,
it,
Yeah,
obviously.
like we listen to so many podcasts, and we're kind of toying around the idea of doing a collaborative podcast with these guys. Sometimes all of us would be the host, sometimes one of us, sometimes just a couple. Maybe the girls talk about van life as females. Maybe we like, you know, I don't know. It's
Maybe
just
the boys talk about
Being Seagull and
being
Fitz.
single and pets.
yeah. Anyways, those are some ideas we're tossing around with these guys. If you guys would be interested in either or have ideas.
Can we tell them the name for the podcast that we really wanted that we can't do anymore?
Yeah, do it.
Oh,
Aubrey came up with it. It's
so
super
good.
cool, and it kind of is like, it toys on the idea of like van life, but also like being transparent.
And alternative living and all the different things that come with that we could, dig in deeply.
So Under the Hood was going to be the podcast, but there's already like
it
2 or
hurts
3.
to say it and not be able to
I think
say
it
it.
would have been so cool.
If you are the person who owns the domain Under the Hood,
Yeah, really.
would you shut it down, please?
So we don't have a name yet. We don't have anything really in
We're
motion
taking
except for just
suggestions. Leave
development.
them below, you guys. Leave them
that's
below.
good.
We could say under the hood.
Ooh, baby.
Anda.
Anda the hood.
So we rolled on and we are headed to a little fruit market. We're gonna do some grocery
I'm just
shopping.
gonna park here. I know it's on a no parking, but we're only gonna be gone for like.
I think it's cool, yeah.
We've since learned that you don't go to grocery stores for fruit and veg. You go to
No.
little fruiteria.
Mucho cheaper, mucho more adventure.
The other day we went to one and the gentleman takes so much pride in making sure you have a really good experience.
Yeah.
So he would ask you like, are you going to eat this tonight? If so, it's not ripe.
Yeah.
Let me go get you another one.
I wonder if this guy's gonna do the same.
Really cool, yeah. Let's have a look.
¿Encontraron todo?
This is everything, yeah.
See. When in doubt, see.
151.
151 pesos.
Which is like
Like,
less than $10.
yeah, like maybe $8.
$8.
$8 US. Look at this beautiful bag of veggies.
Amazing! So now our next stop is the tortilleria
I know.
to get some fresh tortilla.
16 pesos. Look at me with this bag. He's trying to hold it like you. 16 pesos for 1 kilo of tortillas. Fresh. Like,
Unbelievable.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
I don't know how much.
Yes.
300 pesos?
Half.
No!
amazing.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. So that's happening. And we're just gonna do a classic. I think it's a Mexican classic, right? Avo, salt, boom.
Banger from Pussy Post.
Literally, you guys, our lunch has turned into a dance party.
God's plan. God's plan.
I can't do this on my own.
Sí. Okay. Perfecto. Mucho problema or simplico problema?
Can we just highlight simplifico?
Simplicito. Simplicito, tío.
Good job, baby.
He knew it.
What's he say?
So he basically said like, yeah, he needs 1 more hour and he's gonna put everything back together and he fixed the problem.
No!
For real.
You're so casual about that.
No, because we
haven't
can't get
driven it
excited,
yet, you know?
guys.
Like,
Like,
I don't know, like,
Am I allowed to get excited?
Yeah, you can for us.
No way! That deserves a few kisses.
I'm pretty pumped.
dude.
But let's drive the van and then I can.
Yeah.
All right, here you go.
Resume the dance party.
Yeah, that's right.
And the God's plan. God's plan. Give me 10.
Yes, boys, let's go.
I can't
10. No.
Tighten up the buttocks.
What?
There you go.
Ah, girl.
9.
Come on, one more.
Deep,
One more.
10. Let's go.
God's plan.
God's
plan.
Great job.
See you in 1 hour.
I'm not sure about the smell of tires as you're grocery shopping.
Right beside the produce.
Oh, it's just not what I was expecting. I wanted flat water.
I know, it's so fizzy.
You underestimated the mineral.
Oi, Aussie, Hoya, Saludada?
Saludada. Saludada.
Oh, it has lard.
Yeah, good checking.
Oh no.
Lard?
Okay, we're good.
You good? Minerales!
Pass all this up.
No, I know what you're doing. No, Eamon!
Oh.
Too far, babe. If you didn't have the camera in your hand, you'd be in trouble.
It's my vlog.
Poop bag.
Hey.
Poop bag.
Poop bags for everyone.
A poop bag for you.
I just arrived at Zapata. We are feeling a little bit nervous. Yeah, we'll let you know what happens.
Oh my
I'm
goodness!
pumped. We spoke to Mario. There was one bolt, guys, that was loose, like super loose. He said it was like almost hanging out.
Wow.
So and it was super hard to get in there, but he's super crafty. So he kind of took a few parts away and cranked it tight, and then actually sealed the whole thing. I don't know what he used to seal it. Trust him. Amazing. The parts that were supposed to come from Austin are coming tomorrow, but I spoke to our homie Eduardo, and he's gonna sort it out. He said, whatever you need me to do, whether you want to send it back, or a friend will come pick it up, or whatever.
Cool.
He also wants to go for a beer when we're back in Queretaro. So, let's go, baby. Let's go. Muchas gracias, amigo.
See you later.
All right, bro. We'll see you in a few weeks.
Yeah, for sure. Call me.
I will.
Let's cruise.
Let's do it. You guys. Yes. Okay, so when we get to Pueblo,
We can do a mini dance tomorrow morning when there's no oil.
mini dance,
And then we can absolutely freak out and go insane in Pueblo.
like twerking.
Oh yeah, fully nuts.
Okay. We just wanted to put the bands real close.
Hey guys.
Rekindle the love.
We're back on the road, guys.
We are all back as it should be. Trinity, Morrison, the whole gang is in our
whole
tiny
gang.
home. Cooking. It feels so good. I think that's gonna bring us to the end of our vlog for the day. We're gonna make a pesto pasta with some of our fresh verduras from the market today, and just hang out and enjoy
having a home again, babe.
enjoy having our home again.
Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Adios.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Get it tighter next time.
he's like, I don't want any gap between Morrison.
He's not gonna be able to open his door. Christian, you won't be able to open your door. Wow. That's pretty gangster. But if you back up anymore, you'll break the light.
Yeah, man cave right
Close,
here.
you dropping? Give me 10, bro.
Give me 10.